Welcome to Speakatale. Today, we're diving into the life-changing magic of tidying up, the Japanese art of decluttering and organizing by Marie Kondo. Get ready to explore how a clutter-free space can lead to a clutter-free mind and bring joy into every corner of your life. Let's jump in. The life-changing magic of tidying up, the Japanese Art of Decluttering and Organizing, by Marie Kondo is a deeply impactful book that transforms the idea of tidying into an art form and a path to self-discovery. Known as the KonMari Method, Kondo's approach is unique because it combines practical organization steps with a philosophy that links tidying to personal well-being, gratitude, and joy. By organizing our homes and getting rid of items that do not serve us, we create space not only physically but also mentally and emotionally. The process, Kondo argues, can be life-changing, giving us clarity and a sense of peace. Understanding the KonMari Method. The KonMari Method is structured yet simple, designed to be followed in a specific order to maximize its effectiveness. Rather than organizing room by room, which can often feel overwhelming, Kondo advises decluttering by category. She outlines 5 main categories: clothing, books, papers, miscellaneous items called kimono, and sentimental items. By sorting all items of a similar type at once, we confront the totality of what we own, making it easier to make clear decisions about what to keep and what to let go. The principle behind the KonMari Method is that we should surround ourselves only with things that spark joy. When picking up an item, we should ask ourselves if it truly brings us happiness. This question is at the heart of Kondo's method. If an item doesn't spark joy, she suggests we thank it for its service and discard it with gratitude. This gratitude-oriented approach makes tidying more than just a practical task. It becomes an emotional journey, where we learn about our values, memories, and priorities. Step-by-step guide to tidying up. The KonMari Method is organized with intentional steps to make the process manageable. It begins with clothing, the category Kondo considers easiest for people to sort through. She advises gathering every article of clothing from the entire house, laying them all out, and examining each piece individually. The goal is to handle each item, asking if it brings joy. This tactile approach fosters a more thoughtful process, where we connect with our belongings on a deeper level. After clothing, the process continues with books. For many people, books have a strong emotional attachment, but Kondo encourages us to think critically about what we genuinely enjoy and what we are realistically likely to read again. Kondo's view is that books we no longer find meaningful should be given new life elsewhere rather than just taking up space. The next categories, papers and kimono, are often neglected but essential to address. Papers include bills, receipts, and documents, many of which can be discarded once reviewed. Kimono, or miscellaneous items, includes kitchen gadgets, toiletries, and other small household items. This category can be challenging because it often consists of things we keep, just in case. However, Kondo encourages us to evaluate if each item serves a necessary or joyful function. Finally, sentimental items are saved for last. This is the most challenging category, as it often contains personal mementos, photos, and gifts. By the time we reach this stage, though, we have refined our ability to discern joy from utility and can make decisions with greater clarity and self-awareness. Kondo suggests that by keeping only those sentimental items that genuinely uplift us, we honor our past without cluttering our present. Tidying is a path to self-discovery. What sets Kondo's method apart from other organizational systems is its psychological depth. Tidying becomes an opportunity for self-reflection and personal growth. As we handle each item, we are asked to examine our relationship with it, how it came into our lives, why we held onto it, and what role it plays. Through this process, we often learn more about ourselves, our habits, and even our fears or insecurities. For example, by examining clothing, we might discover that we hold onto old, worn-out items out of guilt or fear of change. Sorting through books might reveal how our interests and priorities have evolved over time. Going through sentimental items often brings up memories, helping us understand which parts of our past we cherish and which we are ready to leave behind. Kondo's method emphasizes that tidying is a way to clear both physical and emotional clutter, allowing us to move forward more intentionally. Organizing with mindfulness and gratitude. A unique aspect of Kondo's approach is her emphasis on gratitude. Every item we discard is treated with respect, and she encourages us to thank it for the role it played in our lives. This practice of acknowledging the value of each item helps alleviate any guilt we might feel about letting go. It also reminds us to appreciate what we have and teaches us to be mindful consumers. In other words, Kondo's philosophy isn't just about keeping a neat home, it's about cultivating a lifestyle of appreciation and intentional living. One of Kondo's most famous techniques is her distinctive way of folding clothes. She encourages folding in such a way that items can stand upright in drawers, making it easy to see everything at once. This folding style not only saves space but also shows respect for each item. By treating our clothes and belongings with care, we begin to foster a habit of mindfulness, making us more aware of how we treat our environment and ourselves. The benefits of living in a tidy space. Kondo argues that a tidy home has a positive ripple effect on all aspects of life. A clutter-free environment reduces stress, fosters clarity, and enhances our overall sense of well-being. When our space is organized, we are more focused, more productive, and better able to relax and enjoy our surroundings. By only keeping items that spark joy, we become more intentional about how we live and what we prioritize, which can boost confidence and give us a sense of purpose. Furthermore, Kondo emphasizes that once we fully tidy our space according to the KonMari method, we'll rarely need to undertake the process again. Because each item has been chosen with care, and each has a designated place, maintaining order becomes almost effortless. We create a space that aligns with who we are, simplifying our routines and reducing the daily stresses of searching for lost items or managing excess clutter. Transforming life through tidying. At its heart, the life-changing magic of tidying up is a guide not only to organizing a home but also to organizing a life. Kondo's philosophy teaches us that by letting go of what no longer serves us, we make room for what truly matters. The KonMari method encourages us to lead lives of joy, clarity, and gratitude, surrounded by things that genuinely resonate with us. Tidying becomes a powerful, transformative act, one that can help us connect with our authentic selves and build a space that nurtures our aspirations. Marie Kondo's work is about more than minimalism, it's about mindful abundance. By intentionally curating our possessions, we create a life filled with purpose, joy, and harmony. Through this method, we're not just clearing physical spaces but also reshaping our mental and emotional environments, fostering a life that supports and uplifts us. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the life-changing magic of tidying up. I hope this summary has inspired you to create a space that brings you joy and peace. Remember, decluttering isn't just about our surroundings, it's about making room for what truly matters in life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use a little inspiration, and don't forget to subscribe for more transformative book summaries. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and stay inspired.